Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thumre. I welcome all of you in the second part of 8th lecture, Table in HTML from HTML tutorial. To create a table as available in example, we are going to use the basic table structure. So for that, go to Notepad++ and type a basic structure of HTML program. To create a table, we are going to use the table tag available in HTML. And we are going to use the different table related tags. Now, the caption tag is used to provide the caption or title to table. Here, I want to provide the title as first year timetable. Then, provide the closing caption tag. To create table in HTML, we are going to use the tr tag to create table row. Now, in example, the first row is the heading, that is day of the week. So for that, we are going to use th tag. The first row contains the information, that is day and time. Repeat the cells from first row. The next cell contains Monday and so on. Now save the file up to this point and check the changes on web page. Refresh the web page. It will display the title as first year timetable and it aligned to the center of table, and it consists of 7 different columns with the heading as daytime and Monday to Saturday. Now to provide border to table, we are going to use the border attribute with table tag. Provide border is equal to 1, save the changes and go to web page to check the table. Now the border is available to the table contents. Now repeat the timetable for next all days. If we are going to consider the first column, the value contained in first column is the heading. So for that, we're going to repeat the th tag for the first cell of each row. Now use the tr tag to start the next cell and continue use the tr tag to complete the table. Likewise, complete the code for second row. Now save the changes and go to web page to check the changes. Now the first row is available. Likewise, complete the code for whole table. After completing the code for each row, the code looks like this way. Here we are using call span and row span attribute to the recess and the other different rows from the timetable. Save the changes and go to web page to check the result. After refreshing, the table looks like this way. So this is what all about the demonstration of table related tags and the different attributes from table. Thank you for watching.